Welcome back. On this episode of unboxing, I am unboxing an SD40-2 in a B and paint scheme, and it's a B unit. Let's get into it. I'm going to start with the box. So here's the picture of the locomotive, identification, the number, the version of scale trains it is. It's a rivet counter, so it's highly detailed. It's between museum quality and their operation. This one is rebuilt with gloss lights. Go to the back of the box. It shows the history. It's a prototype. Their standards. Which was sped with this model. So, as we open up the box, okay, nice handy dandy product manual. Instructions, the model, lubrication, function charts. So we'll put that to the side. This is what you'll see when you pull that stuff back. Put this to the side. I'll slide that out. Whoop. Yeah, don't need those. Now, once you take them out of the packaging. Come on, get back here. I hope you're getting amusement out of my struggling with this. Put that back in. Try to keep it all together. There. Here we go. So this is the left side, and the thing with a B unit is it's just like a B unit on the F series. There's no cab. They got rid of the cab, and the whole thing is an engine that will plug into a locomotive head and function like that. So here's the left side of the locomotive. Take it to the back. Here's the number board. Kind of like how they did that. Here's the right side locomotive. It just seems so weird without a cab right there. And here's the front. Let's get that back so you guys can see that. So, normally, if you looked at my last video of the BNSF one, you notice that these fans right here would normally sit right here with the cab right there, but they moved the fans further up ahead when this was rebuilt. So the one thing that Scourgeons has been doing is they're painting their wheels in a rust color because, well, that's when you see them out there in the real world, they're covered in rust. And that's what most people do, is they cover in rust, so they just save people a lot of time. I could care either way. But here's underneath it all the tubing and wiring right there. Really nice. I would run this locomotive right now, but it is DC. And I plan on putting a decoder of my choosing in it. If you have any questions, please ask. I appreciate you watching the video to the way end. Comment, let me know what you think. If there's anything else you want me to unbox or show. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.